Before you begin, remove the top cover, battery, power button board, solid-state drive, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal. Using a suction cup and a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the display enclosure. Carefully remove the display panel from the display enclosure and position it so you have access to the right display panel hinge screws. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Carefully remove the right display panel hinge from the display enclosure. Remove the display panel. If the left display panel hinge needs to be removed, remove it in the same manner as the right display panel hinge. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.